Huh? Hey! No, let me try to get a picture of it. Stop, bro. Yeah. That's the trip you called today, so you got it. You got me, boy. Loud. Hey, look, hold up, man. Get Junebug. Come here, man. Come here. It's New York. Come here, man. This Bug, man. He locked up too, man. Where you at, Bug? What jail you in? See, he in Pelican Bay. Yeah. Hey, Bug. Tell my cameraman how cool me and you is, how we met, real quick. No, tell him that, June.
Hey, Junebug. Hey, so how you doing?
He right here.
Hey, you know,
Green Moon. Come on, we gotta get you guys.
In the sun, a little bit.
Hey, bro. Tell my cameraman how you met me, bro. Yeah, tell me how you met me.
It's only one more bag. That's it. The rest of the stuff is portion.
Can you open up the thing?
I am.
Junebug is that. No, Bug, he want to hear something. He want to hear how you met me.
Oh, yeah, Joe. Shit, we started off at, well, he started off at Tracy, I started off at Saturday. But we ended up meeting each other at CIME. We opened that motherfucker up back in the day. You know, he's a regular just like me as far as, running everything else, man.
What set you from?
Hoover?
See, I mess with everybody. He from Hoover.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's my boy Junebug. I mess with all kinds of cats, you know. Damu, Hoover's everybody, man. Big Bam was my best friend from Hoover. Yeah.
Oh, hey, he out now, Cappuccino.
Bam out?
Yeah, he just got out. Yeah. That nigga working.
You got to watch how you step, P, like you tell me. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, Bug, but you know.
They got City State now.
Yeah. Hey, man, you know I love you, bro. Stay solid, though.
Yeah, look. I told you, don't get too faded, boy.
Huh?
Don't get too faded. I know it's the C-Day. Don't get too faded.
Oh, I ain't gonna get that faded, though. You know. I ain't gonna go cuckoo.
Okay, good. Look, I'm gonna hit you on my birthday.
Okay, all right, on your C-Day. And you owe me $25, Bug.
Okay. That's likewise. So, fair exchange, ain't no problem.
All right, dog. You know I love you, man. It's all good.
I love you, too. I tell you, you better be safe.
All right, player Hoover.
All right.
Yes, sir. All right.
Warming your food up. I'm going to bring you a plate.